the annals of American criminal history, few cases have captivated and haunted us quite like the Zodiac killer. Picture this, Northern California, late 1960s. A shadow of fear looms over the Bay Area as a mysterious figure begins a reign of terror that would perplex investigators for decades. The Zodiac wasn't just your typical serial killer. No, this was someone who craved attention, who turned murder into a twisted game. He would send taunting letters to local newspapers, written in complex ciphers that seemed impossible to crack. Can you imagine opening your morning paper to find a coded message from a killer daring you to solve it? Between 1968 and 1969, he attacked 7 people, killing 5 of them. But here's the thing, those are just the confirmed cases. The Zodiac himself claimed to have killed 37 people. Was he lying? Was he telling the truth? That's part of the mystery that keeps people fascinated even today. What made the Zodiac truly unique was his signature, a cross-circle symbol that he used to sign his letters. He would include details about the murders that only the killer could know, proving his authenticity. But perhaps most chilling were his letters to the press, written with an almost theatrical flair, like he was performing for an audience. One of the most fascinating aspects of this case was the ciphers. The first one was cracked by a high school teacher and his wife. Imagine that, solving a serial killer's puzzle at your kitchen table. But the second cipher? It took over 50 years for cybersecurity experts to finally decode it in 2020. The killer's identity remains one of America's greatest unsolved mysteries. Sure, there have been suspects, lots of them. Arthur Lee Allen was perhaps the most famous one, but DNA evidence later ruled him out. Even today, amateur sleuths are still poring over evidence, trying to crack the case. What's particularly eerie is how the Zodiac just stopped. The letters ceased in 1974, leaving us with more questions than answers. Did he die? Was he imprisoned for another crime? Or is he still out there, having watched decades of speculation about his identity? The case has inspired countless books, movies, and documentaries. It's become more than just a criminal investigation. It's part of our cultural mythology, a reminder that sometimes the most frightening mysteries are the ones that remain unsolved. So next time you're driving through Northern California, remember, somewhere out there, the truth about the Zodiac killer still exists, waiting to be discovered, and maybe, just maybe, someone out there knows exactly who he was.